I never said I was a Luddite. I just don't like email. It's more hyperbolic than that. I actually hate it. And don't get me started on Twitter. Twitter is for people who are terrified of the idea of solitude. 140 fucking characters. Limitation is the mother of innovation. It's more like the mother of mental syphilis. Twitter's basically cheap haiku for the overly caffeinated. I'm not saying I don't drink coffee. I drink coffee. I just don't go to the campus cafes. It's the baristas who really freak me out with their Civil War beards and their artisanal body odor. And then those stupid fucking doorknobs in their ears. They're like these new age, unshowered, tatted out hobbits. A life spent perfecting the intricacies of carefully crafted foam art. Give me a black coffee from Dunkin' Donuts any day of the week, Skippy. Anyway, I just wanted to let you know how much I really like your class.